Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the text to the bold text on your canvas sheets on your computer. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the text effect to the bold effect on your canvas sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. So to change the text to the bold effect, you just click on the text first. So here in the cell have a text here. I just need to change this into bold text. So just click on the cell and you have this bold option on the top called here near the coloring option, or you can just use the keyboard shortcut as a control B or click this. So it will change the text to the bold. So you can just use any font. For example, here I just using Times New Roman, and if you just turn off the bold, it will be look like this, and just turn on this, it will be look like this. This is how you just turn on the bold effect on your text on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique.